Meaning of defeatism.
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 Defeatism. Defeatism is a state of mind characterized by resignation and surrender in the face of challenging or difficult circumstances. It is the belief that one will inevitably fail, and that one's efforts to succeed are ultimately doomed to failure. This attitude can lead to a lack of effort, motivation, and commitment, which in turn reduces the likelihood of success. In short, defeatism is a self-defeating mindset that can prevent individuals from achieving their goals and realizing their full potential.